Hi, it's Keith at Networking in Surrey here, and this short video is designed for people, members of Networking in Surrey, who want to post listings of their own events on the site, and it's to help everybody understand what the format is for our house style. So let's take a look at the site. Here we're on the home page, and down the center of the page you can see the events listed by each day, and you'll notice that each event has a particular heading style which tells you the name of the organization, time of day and location, and nothing else. This means you can run your eye down this list of events and see immediately who, where and when the events are taking place. Keeps things nice and simple. So let's click on an event and look at the more detailed listing on the whole page. And here we can see the For Networking Breakfast, Staines upon Thames, listed by Mike, and at the top of the event the logo and the details of the event, one of the most critical of which is the postcode, which people very often forget to give. Not helpful. So moving on to the main body of the event, we have a title, and this is nice to have this in a colour and a large typeface, and we can sort that out for you. It requires a little bit of messing with HTML, and there's a spelling mistake in there which I can go in and correct in a moment, and I've obviously done that when I've been doing that for Mike, so my fault. So the first thing we see at the top of the page is a picture of the venue from the outside, so that when people get there they know they're in the right place, and this also helps to imprint it in their memory. When they see it, they will remember where the event is. Underneath that we have the body text of the event, and pretty much anything goes here. You can put in your own details. Don't bother to repeat the location and the time and so forth, because that's always going to be up here at the top of the event for people to look at, so it's more or less a waste of time doing that. Mike here has put in a picture of the speaker of the day and a bit about the detail of what the talk's going to be, the foresight. Now we get to the bottom of the event, and these are the very, very important things. Every event has to end with these three things in this order and in this format. We need to know the cost, so we've got a bold heading cost there, and that's a total cost including any VAT or booking fees, so there's no hidden costs there. There's the booking details, how to book, which hopefully would be a live link as here to book the event on the organizer's website or on Eventbrite or similar. And then very important also is a map link. Now we want those to be links to a Google map, please, because that's the most usable and a familiar map for people to use when they want to find places. And here's a little bit of detail about how easy it is to park when you get there. So that's pretty much how an event should look. No uncloaked, naked, as I call them, URLs, except for up here in the details. Whenever there's a link in the text, like the map or the booking link, it's an English language link with the link behind it. Obviously emails, it's nice to have those, and we can sort those out so they're live for you. So that's how an event needs to look. So if you need to find out more detail, if you go up to one of the two search boxes at the top and type the word sample, hopefully the site will come back with a link, a Google research link to our sample event on the site, and then you can go back in the site and you're on what I've put up as a sample page, giving you the information I've just given you as to what goes where, how and when. So I hope that helps.